Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender tutorials how to turn on symmetry. We have this example cube and you can go to edit mode to create a subdivide from this cube object. After it, you can go to object mode. If you want to turn on symmetry, you can click on sculpt tools. And in drag bar, you can scroll down and there are tools like symmetry in here, or you can use in the top bar at this option symmetry. Like you can mirror in X. So if you draw in X-axis, it will automatically create symmetry in the right and in the bottom. The other option you also can set into Y-axis. So this is for Y-axis. And in here you can set in the top for the Y-axis like this. For a Z-axis, also can set like in here. This for Z-axis. For the other at this point. So that's it for basic Blender tutorials how to turn on symmetry on sculpting. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.